All right, so this is the theory of plate tectonics. Okay? Now, Earth has layers just like an onion. These layers provide answers to many questions. Earth's crust, the outermost layer, is not entirely one piece. It's broken into sections, resembles a huge jigsaw. Do these kind of look like they fall together? Yes or no? Yes? All right. So these giant sections, these are plates. Okay? So on your paper, you're going to write each one of these as a plate. So these are part of the plates. Now, Earth's plates are continually being created or recycled, all right? So let's try, like according to the colors, there's different evidence. You should have at the top, do you remember which ones you guys should have at the top? There's that, what is it? I'm looking for. Also, what else? Greenland. So you should have your brown with brown, right? That's why I told you different colors. And then you should have Europe right here. And then this is the one I was missing. I couldn't believe that Africa, they found evidence that Africa was actually close up here. Well, all the continents are surrounded by water, my dear. Mm-hmm. So you have Europe right about here. And then you have Africa right about here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but what color do you see here?
Brown.
Brown. And this, you're going to write, is evidence of rock. If you go to the slide, I believe before number 1. So go back to the slide before number 1. And it shows you a different type of evidence. Now, Africa was pretty cool because it has 3 different ones. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it basically was like the center part. You match the colors. There's a little bit of yellow right here. And then India, right about here. You see, all I didn't even have to look at the big one answers I already had. I just looked at the colors. Did you see that? Just look at your colors and match it. That's all. So I'm missing 2 more continents. So I'm going to match Antarctica with India. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you still need to match the colors. And then I have one more, Australia. And you kind of fit it. Do you guys see I didn't turn it this way or any other way? If you notice, it's like a puzzle piece. It kind of fits right there. Did you notice that? So they all fit together. And the reason I did it sideways, because it's like if I took the sphere-shaped map, I'm making it into a flat map so I can put all the continents right here. Right. So your blue color should be in South America and Africa, correct? And that's evidence of what? So we already discovered that brown, if you look back on your computer right here, the first one says evidence of the brown one is rock evidence. The second one we're going to find it's a dog-shaped mammal like meat-eating reptile. This guy right here. So you're going to write that in. Circle your blue. Okay, we circled right here. We already did rock. Now you're going to point the evidence right here was the zygote, not this. Okay? That's the dog-shaped mammal. All right? Dog-shaped mammal. We still have to figure out all the other ones. The green one's probably the easiest one. Green would represent plants. So we're going to talk about the plants. Is the Pituris, I'm sorry. And this is basically a fern. It's a fern. Write this in. Make sure you're writing this in. The next one, we're going to have a dinosaur, which is your red color in India, Africa, and Antarctica. You circle it, you write it in. And this is on your slide, okay, guys? It's on the evidence key pattern. So then now you're going to write the Lytrosaurus. All right? Now your very last one, that yellow one, we're going to talk about a reptile, which is a Mesosaurus. And it's basically crocodile shaped reptile. And then I'm going to zoom in to make sure that you're copying this correctly. This is your exit ticket to make sure you leave, okay?